Okay, in this video, this is the third video of 2.1.16 lab, configuring basic switch settings, and we're going to be looking at the verifying and testing our network connectivity. So far we've put an IP address on here, and we've added a VLAN under VLAN 99, and assigned all the ports on that IP on that VLAN 99 to all the ports to VLAN 99. Now we're going to access that. First thing we want to do though is go ahead and ping it. So we open up this and we're going to go, let me show you where we're at exactly so no one gets too lost. We're going to open up the command prompt and we're going to say ping 192.168.1. I think it's 2. That's a ping, and I'm going to just do a quick little IP config here, see where we're at with regards to IP address of this one. Yep, so the PC is 10, and the switch is a 2. So from here, we can go in here, now that we know we can connect to it, we're going to go ahead and type in a telnet, and the IP address 192.168.1.2, and we're going to type in Cisco and enable, and then I think it's class on this one. And right now we're showing that we have our access to our device. So we've kind of gone through all of this part right here. We could do a quick little show run, and it'll show us that those are interfaces, and they're tied to VLAN 99 all the way down through there. You can look down through there and see that. Okay. All right. I'm gonna go down through here and look. Looks like if I want to look at the whole thing, we go look, and there's our VLAN IP address, VLAN 99 IP address. And if we keep going, we would see our line console is a password encrypted, and our VTY, which is how we entered into this switch right now, is password protected. And there we go. Okay, so let's go in this next part. Let's go and do a show interface. VLAN 99, and look at some of the information about VLAN 99. Here's some of the stuff we already did in the earlier video, but so this is the readout that we have for VLAN 99, and it asks us what is the bandwidth, and it's 1,000 kilobits. We get that information from right here. Okay, and also what is the VLAN 99 state? The VLAN is up. And the next question down here is asking what is the line protocol, and the status is that it's up. Okay. We already did this portion of it earlier before we connected, so we know that that's working. And we're currently telnetted into the machine. So we've done this part here also. We kind of jumped around there a little bit. And so at this point, what they're asking us to do is to save the configuration. So we're going to do a copy run start, and it's going to save that configuration. All right. Next, it wants us to show the MAC table. So we're going to say show MAC address table, and I pushed the tab key on that so we can see it. It asks us how many MAC dynamic addresses are on here, and we see that we have one dynamic, so we have one device hooked up to it. How many MAC addresses are there? Only one of them. We put it on there already. Does the dynamic MAC address match the PC MAC address? And we're looking at it, and there it is. The last ones are the ones that are most important, that F060, and is it an F or an E? Must be an E. Yeah, that's an E. So we know that those are matching. And so the next command down here is it asks us to show MAC address table dynamic, and it's going to be the same thing as before. Right. And then show MAC address table address. Okay, honestly, I'm not sure what they're asking with regards to this. Someone put a strike to that. I'm not sure what they're asking on there. So the next one is we're going to do a command that's going to clear the table. So we're going to do a clear MAC address table dynamic. That clears the table. And then we're going to do a show MAC address table, and how many static IP addresses are still there. Well, we only have one device connected up to us, so we can clear it all day long, but it's still connected. So we were supposed to remove it. Let's do this really quick. We'll go in here and remove that. Teach me to read the instructions, huh? Alright, and so we'll do the clear. Oh, we can't telnet to it now. Alright, so now that we're disconnected, it was hard to telnet to it, right? So we're going to go into it through here. Okay. And let's go. Enable class. And we'll do a clear MAC address table dynamic, and then we'll do a show MAC address and we have nothing. That's pretty much all we wanted to do is show. We'll do a no and a no on there. Okay, show MAC address table, and more than likely an application running on your PC has already sent from PC. Okay, on. I'm gonna read that. Because we're using the packet tracer, we had to disconnect it, but we'll give it a shot here again, and we'll go and connect it back to 6 and fast Ethernet, and I'm gonna go out of that. I'm going to go back into the PC here, go telnet 192.168.1.2. Okay. Telnet. CICO. Enable. Just wrong password. Okay. So we're in. We're going to do a show MAC address table, and we're back to our original ones because we hooked a device up. Oops. Copy. Okay, so what we're going to do next, I thought I was on pause. Apologize for that long delay. What we're going to do next is we're going to set a static MAC address on here. So we're going to go first we're going to go conft, and then we're going to go MAC address table static, and I'm going to place that MAC address in there. Hopefully I can do this. Right? Paste that in there, and we're going to say VLAN 99 interface and then I think it was FA06, right? Yeah, interface FA06. Okay. Now, since we have a static MAC again, we could have put a different, like a MAC address of a different computer on there. Then we're going to do a show MAC address. Oops, going to go out of that. Address table. We get the same one on there again. No different. Oops. There's only one. I'm going to go ahead and put another PC on here really quick. That's what we should have done earlier. Maybe a couple. Plug them in. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and look at that MAC address again, or we're going to go show MAC address table. We may have to wait till things are more in place there, huh? Or connected completely. Give them IP addresses. Let's just go in here really quick and do static 192.168.1. Let's do 11. And 192.168.1.12. Okay. And now that those are on there, we may have to ping them. We're going to go ping 1.2. Okay, we're good on that one. Bring the next computer up here. Okay, so we've got communication on each one of those. I'm going to go ahead and go out of each one of those computers. And I want to show you this MAC address one more time. Show MAC address. Oh, mad, huh? Address table. We should have more of them now. And that one's static, and this one's dynamic. Now, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys configure the rest of this on your own as we go down through. You can see that it's pretty self-explanatory, and mostly if you just follow the instructions, it works out just fine for you. Okay? So we covered up to the appendix, initializing and reloading and routing switches. We covered most of this information here. I'm going to tell you if you when you get to this point, you should have added more computers or more computers to your little network to really see the full benefit of it. That's what I have for today. I know that I kind of cut it off short here, but you can see we're just following the instructions, going down through and just kind of testing our MAC addresses and showing that on there. Hope you guys learned a little bit about this today and enjoyed the video. Thanks. Bye-bye.